This Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max has 6 GB of RAM, which increases the power of the device. The phone's internal memory, which is 256/512 GB, is more than enough to hold your files. This new Apple 14 Pro Max has a quad-camera configuration in the back. The primary camera has 48 megapixels of wide-angle resolution, while the secondary cameras have 12 megapixels of telephoto and ultra-wide resolution, and a TOF 3D LiDAR depth sensor. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max has a dual 12-megapixel front camera with SL3D depth/biometric sensor. This smartphone has a Face ID reader to safeguard your data. Moreover, an IP68 dust/water resistant up to 6M for 30 minutes is available. The next iPhone 14 Pro Max has a sizable battery as well. The phone has a 4500 mAh battery that provides enough backup power, and it also has a 25W fast battery charger.